I want you to think about how you feel about the day before it starts trading. What you think it's going to do. Is it going to be an up close day? It's going to be a down close day. And you're not trying to predict the closing price. You're just writing down what you think about the day. And then I want you to write down why you believe what you believe. I want you to write down how you think that the session that ends the morning session. Okay, so we'll call it 11:30 to 12 o'clock in that 30-minute interval. You want to be simple, do it like I told Caleb. 11:30 is the end of your morning session. So at 11:30, will the closing price that makes the 11:30 1-minute candle be higher than a 9:30 opening price or below it? I want you to ask yourself what you think that's going to occur. You have to determine that at 10 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock, the opening range completes. Now you have 30 minutes behind you. Are we going to close higher at 11:30's 1-minute candle than the 9:30 opening price or lower? And why you think that's going to be the case?
Welcome back, traders. This is my submission to ICT's homework from his Twitter space. I will be predicting the close of the day, and today is Monday, September 23rd. It is Monday morning, 5 minutes after 9 o'clock. So the opening bell will be in about 25 minutes. And let's go over the Nasdaq micros. This is going to be on the weekly chart. So if you've seen my market outlook, on the weekly chart, you know that I am bullish on the week because we did have this nice run, but then we traded back up and we traded above both of these two candles. So I'm anticipating a change in the direction to the upside, and specifically I am aiming for this weekly SIBI. Now let's go ahead and go down into the daily chart. Zooming in. And I'm looking for this weekly SIBI, and there's also this high right here. But let's take a look at the most recent price action. Okay, so I'm looking for this wick right here, half of that wick, and then this wick, half of this wick. I'm marking this out as a daily implied fair value gap. Now I'm anticipating price to come down into this area, but I don't really want to go too far down. I mean, there is sell side here, but I really don't want to see the price retrace that much. I just want to see it dip into this daily implied fair value gap and then rally for the highs, and hopefully we can get a close up on the day. Now I do want to go one level deeper into the hourly chart, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so the hourly chart, I'm looking for this high right here. I anticipate at the open we will rally down, and I'm looking a drop down, and I'm looking at this wick right here, half of this wick. I'm looking to see whether or not this can hold price up. If it can get a nice reaction off of this, I'll be looking for some kind of market structure shift and looking for higher targets. But we could get a drop down below here and take the sell side below this swing low and this swing low as well. And then I'm looking at this hourly wick, half of that. Now also, if we go ahead and take a gradient of this fair value gap, you can see that from here to here. Okay, so half of that wick is also going to be around the 25% mark. So we all know that this is a very key level on the grading. So we could drop down to take the sell side below both of these low, and I want to see a nice reaction off of half of this wick, which is that 25% level of that fair value gap, and hopefully look for some kind of market structure shift and aim for these highs and this high as well. So ultimately, these are my reasons why I think the close of the day should be up. Although it is Monday and we could get a trade lower, but I'm gun to my head, I'm going to go ahead and say we're closing up on the day. So stay tuned. There is another assignment after the opening bell around 10 o'clock. I'll give you my thoughts on where I think it's going to close for the morning session. So until next time, guys, safe trading.